Hey guys, it's Cynthia Maynard and welcome to my channel. Today I'm making a square card that is going to measure 6 1/4 by 6 1/4. Super simple card, and it's featuring just some gray cardstock, some Tonic, double-sided paper that I got in one of the Tonic craft kits, and it matched this nice color really nicely. I have some gold foil that or not gold foil, gold glitter paper, and you could certainly cut a square out of there. And then I have some paper that I designed with sort of a distressed plaid, and I can leave the link down for that in the description below on where you can purchase the digital paper for that. But that's lovely for for fall with the lovely plaid in the background, and it's got little distressed bits here, and I thought I'd make a nice focal point. It's nice for a quick card because you don't have to do much. And then I just have cut out from Tonic. One is from a Tonic, the anniversary here. And then I cut two of those, one in the gray and one in the black to make a shadow. And then I have a Happy from a magazine, die cutting magazine, that I'm also going to do that shadow with. And I like how one has a script and one has the print sort of version there. So what we're going to do first is we're going to layer these two together and these two together. We're going to pop this one up on foam. So let's do that really quickly. You can use a double-sided tape for that. You will need either make your own envelope, which you can certainly do with an envelope punch board or something like that, or you can purchase larger envelopes like an 8x8 or 7x7, something like that, because it's 6 1/4, so it won't quite fit in a 6x6 envelope. But all right, and then I'm going to put this paper on. Drawn with my glue. Alright, put that like that. And then we're going to pop this up on some foam. Go ahead and take the tape off. This is a quick way to make simple cards, just layering. There's actually no stamping in this. This is stamp free, so if you're not a stamper, you prefer die cutting or something like that. If you have a die cutting machine and want to cut out those sentiments, that is an option as well. So I'm going to want this sort of blank, more blank space to be where I'm going to put my sentiment across. And I like that foam. It gives it a little dimension, not too much, but and also gives it some sturdiness. And then you can put this on a card base that just folds in half. This measures 6 1/4, so you would just do 6 1/4. You could actually do 12 by 12, cut it in half, and then just have this having an overhang all the way around. I don't have my reading glasses on here, so my eyes have decided they were going to do the reading glass thing. I'm just going to offset it slightly. So using the wet glue is nice because then you can kind of play around with it. You have a second to, oh boy, scooch it, as it were. And then that dries clear, so you know it's not the end of the world. And you could put that up on foam. I'm going to take the quickie route, but I like how it makes it stick out like that. It gives it that shadow and just kind of pops. And then again with the Happy, we're basically going to, you could add foliage around here. I love these flowers so much, I don't want to cover them up too much. So we're making use of that blank space that's in the pattern there. Go ahead and set a block down on that. The fall, I guess because I'm a teacher, something about that new school year, crisp air, time to write another murder mystery. Alright, so really simple, look at that. And a nice sturdy, well-made card. Alright, and then we can just put some sequins on there. I want some rather shiny ones to kind of match the gold glimmer paper here. So sticks to, it costs just $1 or something. And you can kind of map out where you want them if you're not real confident about, you know, where you think you might want to put them. You could also use Nuvo drops here. That's kind of draping around there. Alright. Then you can just kind of come in. That glue dries really clear, so I'm not worried about that at all. Whoop. like this. This is the vintage drop, I believe. Yes, very pretty bottles. Isn't that pretty? I love a pretty bottle. And this is vanilla milkshake. And who doesn't want to use something called vanilla milkshake? So I always like to test it on another piece of paper first in case there's an air bubble in there. And then I'm just going to kind of come in the middle of my sequin, which is the tiniest little boop. Oh, Mad's not in there. And then you can also, just to tie it together, kind of come around there and here. And these will take time to dry, so you definitely don't want to pop this in the envelope right away. You might be sorry. You watched my video. Alright, and I think that's all there is to it. Super simple. All that away, and I love how that turned out. And again, I'm going to put that on a white card base that measures 6 by 12. Just fold it in half and pop it. You can again pop this on on foam adhesive. See my little Nuvo drops? And I think that'll be super pretty. I love the grays and the sort of salmon coral look there. Alright, thanks. I hope that inspires you to go create something today, no matter what it is. Thank you guys so much, and have a great day.